this honour to announce the winner to the jury. And please,
Thank you.
your stage.
Great, thanks. I'd like to say on behalf of Lillian, Ben, Nick and myself, thank you for being invited to the judges. The usual thing about it's been very difficult, it really has actually. So we're supposed to have half an hour, we're about 3/4 an hour arguing the toss over finer points of the judging criteria. I'm not sure how much of the judging criteria you've been made aware of, but we have to consider the impact of your solution, its impact to solving a problem, whether it's a big problem or a small problem, the creativity that you showed in putting together your solution, whether it was something that had been attempted before. We have to look at the product and how it fitted the needs of the challenge, and whether it was just a prototype or a finished solution. Also look at the sustainability, whether that's ecology or the future sustainability project, how easy it could be moved on. And finally the presentation, what we got from the presentation, how easy it was to understand and so on. So as I say, it was very difficult. Watching the presentation and then scoring it, the people I thought had won, when I looked at my scores, they scored really low. And similarly, I think as we talked upstairs, I'm like, but I think finally we've got it down to a short list. And I'd like to make a special mention first of all to Eagle View. We felt that you guys really kind of epitomised or brought together the ethos of the hackathon, where you brought lots of things together, bashed them together, oh, this isn't working, right, let's try this, let's try that. We've got a really good feel from you, even though you haven't won, we feel we want to give you a special mention, and as a result, we have a prize. Yeah, let's come forward. Oh, sorry. Okay. So, if you all want to come up.
Yeah, the whole team, please.
Photos. Good. Thanks very much, guys. Thank you. Okay, we actually have a second special mention, and that's AM Alpha. We like the way that you incorporated existing technologies and also the way that you have thought more about application of the problem. And we've got a prize for you as well. Yours before. So that's 4 Arduino. Oh yeah.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. Stretches.
Okay. Now it's been down actual prize positions. So these guys, they'll know what I'm talking about when I start to describe them. We like the fact that they came together this weekend, haven't necessarily worked together before. We have to take on trust certain elements of their servo calculations and other bits and pieces. But our second prize goes to Scotland.
Oh, that's fantastic. Come on, come on. It's not as if we've all been at
I don't know how I'm going to try and stretch this out for the drum roll. So again, I think these guys will recognise when I start to describe them. But I mentioned one of the first criteria was the impact, the biggest impact it could, potential impact that it could make. Again, we also like the fact that they threw together from the idea at the beginning of the weekend. One poor chap had to code that up and looks a bit frazzled in the process. Our first place and also the people's choice goes to, can we be into it? From that cheer, did you not recognise it? Is it Dan?
Dan?
Yeah. Ben, sorry Ben. Yeah, oh Ben's been puzzled right in my Android now. Right. So, so you get the big kits and the software license.
Right, there's your sorry.
Three, two, one. Great, great, cheers.
Okay, thank you very much. So as well,